Wide and shallow gardens are really long and thin gardens, except they're turned 90 degrees, so they run along the length of the house. And this makes designing the garden quite difficult because it brings the boundaries really close to your property. So what we need to do in this garden is try to make the sense that the boundaries are further away and to provide views inside the garden that are more interesting than the fences. So we look at those and not look at the stone walls or the fencing surrounding us. If we take the main views from the house here, and obviously this is a new build, so there is no garden, what we can see is really beautiful stone gabion walls. But the fence above these walls again gives us a sense that the whole garden is closing in. The distance between the house and the walls is very narrow, and our main view is down the length of the garden, but there isn't anything to look at. We need to create views from inside the windows to look out that aren't just looking at the fences or the stone walls. Plus, the sun on these stone walls is going to make the garden heat up. They're a great thermal source of heat retention, so this garden could become quite hot. This is all about distraction. So if we section the garden up into smaller spaces, what we can do is we break up that visual dominance of the fences and the stone walls by creating new routes and new views within the garden. So if I draw it in here, I've added pergolas because the vertical height once again lifts your eyes above the line of those stones and the fences. We make you look up, but then we introduce really interesting plants, sensory plants, textural plants down below, so you look down as well. And this way, the gabion walls are not what you notice. You notice the plants at your feet, you notice the pergolas above your head, you notice the sky above your head. And because these plants demand your attention, you don't notice that the boundaries are close to the house anymore. If you'd like some specific design advice or help for your garden, we offer a brilliant video consultation service. Simply book your call at plantplots.com, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.